What's up, guys? It's No One Shaw here, back with another video. We'll be talking about the new client update just came out, and we're going to look right into it. Sorry about the shitty mic quality right now. I'm currently on a headset at work. I just wanted to do a rundown of this. So let's see what we're into. Mining event is over, which is a great thing because that mining event was way too long for most of us these days. It was just real stressful. Let's see, the Alliance tab has been updated to look quite different. So, it looks quite modern. Armadas is still there, surprisingly. And it's given it just a decent breakdown. There's really nothing there. I thought they were to add no aggression packs, but they didn't. Let's look at the event store, or the event one. The event looks the same. The event store looks the same. Let's go back to the station, read the update, what exactly it was. So they increased warehouse capacity, the Botany Bay mining rates, which is a new thing. The battle logs got increased. Ship capacity increase, so you get 2 more ships per level. The faction rewards have been updated to much better than the missions theme. Okay, that's good. The 7-day peaceful, upon reaching 15, players will automatically bubbled for 7 days straight, and if you attack somebody, it's off. Looks like they fixed the Burrell's cargo. Naming on data mines they changed. Let's take a look at the naming on cargo, or the Botany Bay. So let's go to my Botany Bay. No, wait. I have a ship floating in space. That's a great thing to do right now. So let's grab my Botany Bay, which is currently level 33. We're going to zoom out and go to augment space and check out some new mining rates they said they improved. So let's go all the way down to augment space. Let's go down to Illuminar. Let's zoom in on that sucker. And let's see, let's click on the mine. I'm doing 46k alone without that one augment officer. So let's grab that officer. Joaquin, swap them out, go back. Let's see what's at now. I'm at 83k per hour. That is a lot. That would easily fill a cargo in seconds. Too bad these mines aren't bigger. Well, my protected cargo's up to 38k, so at least they increased that. Okay, that's something. So, you'll have a decent cargo on that one at least. Was that the only part of the update the game had? Let's go back in, and let's check out the information again. The warehouse capacity, the Botany Bay, battle reports up to 30, ship capacity, faction mission rewards, so that's a little better at least, the 7-day peace field, and that seems about all it was for this update. Alright, this is still a short video talking about it. Alright guys, have a good day.